अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, मैं हूं तस्निया वजाहत और आपके लिए लेकर आई हूं मेकअप का यूट्यूब चैनल जिसमें सिर्फ मेकअप नहीं बल्कि आपको मिलेंगे हेयर स्टाइल्स एंड डिफरेंट ब्यूटी टिप्स. I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. Hopefully you guys like it. So today this is my first makeup video. I am so excited. So I am gonna share how to do soft makeup so you can do on any event, on birthday parties, any event. So and also the soft makeup is so in trend right now. I'm gonna show you how to do a soft makeup. So first thing, you need to prep your face, which is called prep and prime. The first step, so first you're gonna moisturize your face thoroughly. Like अच्छी तरीके से अपने फेस को moisturize कर लें. किसी भी मॉइस्चराइज़र के साथ एनी मॉइस्चराइज़र इज इट डिपेंड्स योर स्किन whatever it suits. So just like moisturize thoroughly your skin. Some people have like oily skin, then do not put a lot of moisturizer. जिनकी oily skin है उनको इतनी moisturizer की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But if someone have like a really dry skin, so then yes, make sure to like moisturize properly. Second step, I'm gonna apply the prime on my skin thoroughly. Second step, मैंने अपने पूरी स्किन पे प्राइमर अच्छे तरीके से लगा लेना है. Primer is very important. See, just like this is your prep and prime. Okay. After primer, just give your skin, I would say like 5 minutes to like primer and moisturizer can set in. After moisturizer and my primer, the third step is foundation. Moisturizer and primer लगाने के बाद अब मैं फाउंडेशन अप्लाई कर रही हूँ अपने पूरे फेस पे, क्योंकि ये सॉफ्ट मेकअप है. सो ओनली 1 लेयर फाउंडेशन की आएगी. Because this is a soft makeup, I'm doing a soft makeup tutorial today. So in soft look makeup, you just put 1 layer foundation, not too much. You're not supposed to do really heavy. So yes, to make sure all the parts can after the foundation, I'm gonna apply concealer under my eyes. फाउंडेशन लगाने के बाद अपनी अंडर आइज में आप कंसीलर को अच्छे तरीके से लगाएंगे. So same तरीका, same procedure, like you just like tap 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 tap. Right after you apply concealer, apply the compact powder on top of concealer. जैसे ही आप concealer apply कर दें अपनी under eyes पे, फ़ौरन से compact powder से उसको secure कर लें. And then apply compact powder on your whole face like this. जैसे ही आपका डन हो जाए फाउंडेशन, कंसीलर, अंडर आइज कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर, फिर आप अपने फेस पे, पूरे फेस पे कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर लगाएं. Apply the loose powder on my whole face. Translucent powder. I'm gonna use the contouring, the powder contouring. So I'm gonna do the dark. If you wanted to make your nose look narrow, so draw the lines with the dark color like very closely on your nose. So that's how you're gonna look like your nose like narrow. Okay, so you like big brush, just like blend it. After contouring, you need a banana shade to define your contouring. After contouring, just apply a highlighter on your cheekbone, on top of your cheekbone. Apply blush on. Between highlighter and contouring, you're just gonna apply the blush on in between those to blend it with each other. So contouring और highlighter के middle में जो space है उसमें blush on को blend करना है with the contouring and highlighter. And the lighter shade, just like go with your on the cheeks, on the apples, to give you a smiley look. Yeah, so lighter than the blush on shade, like the light pink, apply on your apple, cheeks apple, so give you a smiley look. Now I'm gonna do eyebrows, my favorite part. Like take the brush and just dust the powder or foundation on your eyebrows. First, सबसे पहले अपने आईब्रोज की जो एक्स्ट्रा पाउडर एक्स्ट्रा मेकअप है उसको क्लीन कर लें अच्छे तरीके से, एंड देन like with the pencil or with the brush, whatever you're using, pencil, brush, or anything, even angle brush, like in the starting of the brow, just like make a strobes. Do not like make like straight line. It looks really fake. So just make like a strobes, so it give you a natural look. Since we are doing a soft makeup, we are not doing a heavy makeup. So make a strobe. And then make it even again, just like brush it. The eyebrows, just like apply the concealer like right under your eyebrows to define your eyebrows. So I'm gonna start with my eyes highlighter, which is go under your eyebrows like this. I'm gonna do very lightest color, like light brown, very light brown. I'm gonna go under the highlighter. Right above my eye crease. Where is your crease? So I'm gonna go right above my crease and under the highlighter with very lightest color, the light brown color. Same on the other side. Then I'm gonna use a little bit darker than this color right underneath the lightest brown, then go like little bit darker like this. Then after the dark brown, I'm gonna do the deposit. On my lid. And I'm gonna use my very darkest brown color, just the end, to make a deeper look, just a little bit on the corners, and just like blend it with that. The kajal. Now I'm gonna apply the lashes. So when you put glue on top of lashes, just wait a little bit, like 30 seconds, and it will stick really good. So जैसे आप lashes के ऊपर glue लगाएं, so like 30 second के लिए wait करें. So जो lashes हैं बहुत अच्छे तरीके से stick होती हैं. When is like a glue a little bit dry, so what you can do is hold the lash from the middle and stick in the middle, and then like sides and the inner corner. Yep, perfect. So let it dry a little bit, then try another one. So सेम उसी तरीके से हम मिडल में अपनी आईलैश को रखते हैं, आँख के मिडल में बिल्कुल रख के हम पहले एंड सेट करते हैं. जब एंड सेट हो जाए तो फिर इनर कॉर्नर को हम उसको प्रेस इन कर देते हैं, लाइक दिस. Like this. Yep. So lashes is dry completely. So when glue dry completely on your eye, on your skin, जब glue अच्छी तरीके से जो lashes की है वो dry हो जाए, then apply mascara. तो फिर उस तरह उसके उतरने का खतरा नहीं है. Then it won't come off. Like just like this. So make your eyes like open and look bigger. Don't look like you're sleepy. If you don't apply mascara right after your lashes, so it looks like you're still sleepy. Okay, usually with the soft makeup, I do not do lip liner. I just like go with the gloss. So I'm gonna do today. So I'm just gonna put the gloss on my lips. But I will definitely show you different lips, how to make lips on the different size of lips. Like somebody have like very thin lips, some have very thick lips, but I will show you how to make with the lip liner. But right now the soft makeup, I usually go with just with the lip gloss. Our soft look makeup, hopefully you guys like it. Please do comment and subscribe my channel. I will show you more techniques, more videos, and I will share my experience